Hi everybody, I'm back with some more lash videos. Now I know I'm way behind on catching up with lashes that you guys asked me to review, so I'm sorry, and I think I apologize in every video, but I'm gonna try to do better, okay? So first things first, if this is your first time here, my name is Bernie. And one more thing before I move on, if you have any girls, I do have a clothing boutique. It's called Jubilee Rose Boutique. Go check it out if you have any girls. All right, so I have the Marilyn Monroe limited edition Kiss lashes. There's 3 boxes that are white, and then there I think also 3 or 4, I don't remember, but black boxes. So the black box are more dramatic, it seemed when I seen them, and then the white boxes are more like a lighter fluffy kind of lash. So this is the style that I chose, which is called the Diamond Girl. I do have the It Girl, so that's the next one I'm gonna do. The third one is the Girl Next Door, so I'll do that in a separate video, and then the black box in a separate video also. So anyways, these are super cute. They're really easy to put on. The band is super thin also, so that's why it's easy to put on. All right, so I'm just gonna go in. I do not have eyeliner. I need to go buy some more, but I haven't used eyeliner in so long. That's why I don't have it. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the close-up. So now let's take a look at what the It Girl looks like. Okay, so this is the It Girl. Like it. These are super cute. Now this band is thicker though. The Diamond Girl had a thinner band. This one has a super thick one, so it did take me a little bit longer to put on. I just had to since I put them on underneath, I had to hold it up. Looks funny, but I had to hold it up for longer than usual, just to give it some support, because the band is super thick. And the glue that I have, it's my fault I guess, because I should wait for the glue to kind of dry and then put it on, but I'm always acting like I'm in a rush. But I'm gonna go in with a close-up on these, but I really like them. I like, out of both of them, it's kind of a hard decision, but I'm going more towards this one. I just like the fuller, thicker look, but on other days I do like the more natural ones. But these ones, when I was putting them on, I was like, oh, these are cute, and I really can't wait to try on the third set. They don't call for liner, it just looks, lashes, don't even need the liner, boom boom, ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna go in for a close-up. The ends are it could just be my eye shape, but they kind of do, the ends kind of go into my hooded eye a little bit, so I did have to kind of move it, but it's not bugging me or anything, because these are the Kiss lashes, how light and lightweight they are, they don't bug, Now I'm gonna have this video and then the Girl Next Door on a playlist, and then the darker ones too. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, that'll all be down below or somewhere on the screen. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna be changing my name too, so don't be shocked when you see my name changed, who is this girl? So I'm gonna be changing it from the Everythings to Bernie's Essentials. So that's it for the video. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to check out Jubilee Rose Boutique also, and get your girl clothes. Check it out. Okay, bye.